years ago. Naalala mo pa ba yung panahon na sinabi ko sa'yo na ikaw na ang babaeng pakakasalan ko habang buhay? Alam ko hindi madaling paniwalaan. Kaya tumahimik na lang ako at sinabi sa sarili kong patutunayan ko.
If I look back on the moments, how they all...
After 3 years of being engaged with you, I can't believe we're finally here. I'll start my vows by saying thank you. Thank you for loving me and everything about me. Thank you for accepting me for who I am, flaws and all.
Daylight burns away.
Pinapangako ko sa iyo at sa Panginoon na aalagaan kita habang buhay. Pinapangako na hindi ako magbabago sa iyo. Ako yung Jano na kahit anong init ng ulo mo, uunawa at magpapangiti sa iyo. Hindi ko din kakalimutan ang pangako ko kay Mama Wilma, na iingatan kita, irerespeto, aalagaan, at uunawain. Ma, natuloy na po ang wedding namin, Kim. Miss na po namin ikaw.
And thank you for coming into my life and for always holding my hands so tight na alam kong hindi ka bibitaw.
Jano, proud na proud kami ng tatay mo sa iyo at napalaki ka namin mabuting bata. Ngayon, mag-aasawa ka na. Mamahalin mo ang iyong asawa.
The sun forever shine on.
Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Jano, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Daylight burns away. Tomorrow people change, but
Habang ikaw ay pumapasok kanina, pinicturan ko yung frame ni Doc. Then I told myself, how happy must she be if she were able to witness your marriage today. But we could not help but to accept the reality. Hanggang doon lang siya. Now, life must go on. May aalis, may darating, may mawawala, may magsisimula muli. Ganon ang buhay.
Mama, ito na sana yung nilulook forward mo. Sabi mo sa akin, pag gumaling ka, ito ay hatid mo ako sa simbahan. Yun lang. Hanggang doon na lang, pero happy ako.
Love is a choice. Love is a decision. Love is our nature.
B, ito na, wedding day na natin. Enjoy natin ang araw na ito. Sobrang tagal natin inantay ito. Bag yung napili kong regalo para pag nangalay ka sa pagbuhat. Haha! See you later. Excited na akong makita kasuot ang wedding gown. I love you, B! Thank you! Thank you!
It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go.
Tong, pakitong.
When the wind moves along your face, it captures.
You love because you are relatively whole. And from that wholeness, alam mo kung ano yung pakakawalan mo. Yan ang pag-ibig. Hindi ka iibig dahil may kulang. Hindi ka iibig dahil kailangan mo siya. Iibig ka dahil pag-ibig ka.
You'll run with me, come what may. Under the starlight, we'll find our way. I know this is the start of something.
Ito na yun. Tagal ko namin to ni Kim. Alam mo yon kung gaano katagal to. Salamat po sa pagtsatsaga, sa pagpapalaki sa amin ng maayos. May takot sa Diyos. Maraming salamat po. Ito. Magpa-flashback lang sa akin yung maganda mong ngiti. Pag tumitingin tayo, I love you and see you later. Suotin mo yun. Kahit kailan talaga kayo. Grabe. Thank you. Mismo, the best. Thank you so much. Grabe.
The world away. It's your love, I know.
Be a good wife.
Like mama.
Like mama.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way. I know this is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can go.
Maraming salamat sa Panginoon. Pinagkaloob ka sa akin. Ang buhay ng tagal ko nang pinagdarasal. Ikaw yun, B. Mahal na mahal kita. Salamat.